Aloha, I am Gina Hopper and I'm your Norwex consultant for this party. I really hope that you've enjoyed the party so far. And I want to talk to all the skeptics out there and give you a demo. I'm going to show you how this Envirocloth is going to clean raw meat, in this case raw chicken, off of this plate or any surface. So we're going to use only water, a damp Envirocloth, versus chicken, and stay tuned for that, okay? I have a plate, raw chicken, and a ProClean swab. These are used by the health department in the food industry. Green is clean, and purple means the presence of protein, residual protein. Let's smear some chicken onto the plate to distribute some protein onto the plate. I'll take my ProClean swab and test the surface. Now, why do we test for protein on surfaces? It's because protein is smaller than bacteria. And if protein is present, then bacteria is also present or not present. Break it. I'll shake it, and it is definitely purple, which is a fail, which means there is residual protein on the surface of the plate. Now I'll take my Envirocloth, just damp with water, a couple swipes to remove the protein from the surface. The Envirocloth mechanically cleans surfaces using only water. I lie it face up, and that is a side that has the protein on it. And let's check the surface of the plate with another ProClean swab. It is green. That means it is clean and there is no residual protein on the plate. So the Envirocloth and water clean the protein off. Now I'm going to check the surface of the Envirocloth for protein. The Envirocloth is made of many small fibers, dense fibers, which has pockets, and it grabs and removes protein and bacteria from surfaces. It is still green. So there is no protein present on the surface. The protein would be in the pockets of the fibers, deep inside. Now let's see if it transfers back onto the plate, the protein. Does it spread and share it back? It should not. And it is still green. So, it's amazing. The Envirocloth cleaned it off the protein with just water and did not spread or share it back onto the surface again. So, as you can see from my video, the ProClean swab with the meat was very dirty with the bacteria. Yes, purple is dirty. And the other ProClean swab stayed clean. So green is clean. Even after I cleaned the plate, I tested on the same side of the Envirocloth that I used to clean the plate. It still stayed green. And then I actually wiped the plate again to show that it wouldn't spread or share, because it traps that bacteria in the fibers deep until I actually release it out. So it did not share it back on. I couldn't detect it on the cloth, and I could not detect any protein back on the plate again once I wiped it again the second time. So it stayed very clean, and it's very impressive. And now what I can do is I'll go ahead and rinse this, and I use what's called the PAR method, which is pressure, agitate, and rinse. And I'll go ahead and just rub this together with friction under warm water, and that's going to allow the fibers to release the bacteria and the grime that you pick up. So it actually will not spread and share what you pick up in here from surface to surface. Super great. I use it around the house everywhere. This is my go-to cloth, and it mechanically cleans all surfaces that are hard. Thanks for watching. Aloha.